Hey there, hiking friends, it's Kelly again. Today is Tuesday, the 8th of December, 2020. I'm in Slow and I just got done doing the Islay Hill hike. I came down here early and got the trail done and I figured I might as well get some more mileage, so I figured I'd start here and maybe head up towards the top of Cerro San Luis. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, let's check it out. So I did this first uphill section from the bottom, all non-stop. So definitely my endurance and stamina have improved quite a bit since I started my hiking adventures many months ago. Just to be different, I decided to take the offshoot trail here that goes along the fence and joins up with the main road right there on the way in. It says to do it on the way out on the trail map, but I decided to do it on the way in just for something different. So let's see how far I get here. Okay, so I'm about halfway up Cerro San Luis here. Nice view of Los Osos Valley Road. Going across, and there's Laguna Lake. And there's the other trail, the Laguna Lake Loop Trail that goes along the spine of that mountain right over there. And then of course there's the freeway. So I'm guessing I got about another mile and a half to the top. So onward and upward. All right, I made it. All right, I'm at the tippy top of Cerro San Luis Obispo. And if you look straight across this chasm here, way to the other side, there's Islay Hill, the hill I just was up about an hour and a half ago. So 1 hour and 8 minutes into this hike, 2.4 miles, I am at the top. I started way over there on the other side of that mountain there, on the edge of Laguna Lake. So, woohoo, double header. So it's all mostly downhill on the way back, but that still works your knees and different sets of muscles, so it's still going to be strenuous. Just my heart won't be going quite as fast. Anyway, look at some lady with a little dog. But so they have this wooden platform up here and a generator, and I was thinking, man, it'd be cool to have live music up here. They totally could, and maybe they had in the past, but as of right now, the generator is being used to power this Christmas tree light that comes on, I guess, when it gets dark, because it's December and all that. So anyway, I'm gonna rest for a few minutes and I gotta start heading down. But by the end of all this, I'll easily done over 7 miles today, including this hike, the Islay Hill hike, and the dog walk I did this morning. So that's enough. All right then. And that's Bishop Peak right over there, by the way. Bishop Peak, Cerro Romaldo, and Chumash Peak. So the maintenance guy just turned on the lights just now. He was saying he comes up here and checks to replace any stolen bulbs. Like, who the hell wants to steal light bulbs? But people do. One last look around before I head down. So this is the generator that powers the lights. Tree right up there. But I'm sure at some point they must have used it to have some live music up here on this platform. I think it'd be cool as hell. Could you imagine seeing your favorite band up here on this? How cool would that be? I'm sure somebody's done it at some point. But anyway, one last look at the tree. Alright. Gotta get the hell out of here now. And back to the car. Okay, so that was pretty much 5 miles exactly round trip, and did it in 2 hours and 20 minutes. So that 5 miles plus the 2 miles I did at Islay Hill earlier, plus the mile dog walk, so I'm in for over 8 miles today so far. So I think that's about enough. My feet are starting to get sore. It's usually right about that 7th or 8th mile that my feet say, okay, enough's enough. So eventually I want to get to the point where I can do a 10-mile hike in a day without, you know, any major aches and pains, but I'm not quite there yet. So in the meantime, I'll take what I can get. So today was a good day and slow. Banged out 2 cool hikes, saw some cool views, and got some good exercise. So what more do you want? Anyway, that's it. This is Kelly signing off from San Luis Obispo, and remember, as always, keep hiking.